Have you ever found yourself in a situation where your Bluetooth suddenly disappears or stops working on your Windows PC? Today, I will address these common issues that Windows PC or laptop users often encounter. The missing Bluetooth problem or Bluetooth not working. This video will guide you through the troubleshooting processes to fix Bluetooth issues and get your Bluetooth back on track. The first step in resolving any Bluetooth issue is to check the settings on your Windows device. Let's make sure your Bluetooth is enabled. Go to the Windows Start menu, search for Bluetooth and other devices. Open this in Settings. Go to the Bluetooth toggle switch. Turn on your Bluetooth toggle switch. If Bluetooth was already enabled, proceed to the next step. On Windows 10, come to the taskbar, go to Windows Tray for Edit Quick Setting. On Windows 11, come to the taskbar, go next to Windows Tray. Click anywhere in here. Select Edit Quick Setting. Add. Select Bluetooth. Done. And you will see it added. Outdated or incompatible Bluetooth drivers can cause connectivity issues. You can update your Bluetooth drivers to ensure everything is compatible and up to date. Go to the Windows Start menu, search for Device Manager. You will see it under Control Panel. Open the Device Manager. Go to Bluetooth section, expand the Bluetooth drop-down. Go to your Bluetooth device, right mouse click on your Bluetooth device. Select Update Driver. Choose the option to search automatically for update driver software. Let Windows search and install the latest drivers for you. I suggest you have internet connection while you're doing this. When installation is complete, restart your device. After the restart, Windows will automatically fix the Bluetooth issue for you. In case Windows could not find any drivers automatically on your PC, you can manually download the drivers from your device manufacturer's website. Don't forget to restart your PC when you are done with the process as well. Sometimes uninstalling and reinstalling the Bluetooth device can fix the software issue. Open the Device Manager, same steps as we just did before now. Go to the Windows Start menu, search for Device Manager. You will see it under Control Panel. Open the Device Manager. Go to Bluetooth section, expand the Bluetooth drop-down. Go to your Bluetooth device. Right mouse click on your Bluetooth device. Select Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstallation. Then restart your PC. After the restart, Windows will automatically reinstall a freshly working Bluetooth for you. If Bluetooth is missing from Device Manager, then how would you update its driver, or how will you uninstall it to have a refresh installation? Then follow these steps. Let's go back to Device Manager, or you open it afresh in case you have closed it like I just did. Go to Windows Start and search for Device Manager. You see it under Control Panel here. Click to open it. You may use it as it is here, or you expand it. Click Action tab. Then click anywhere in here, just anywhere in here. First is for you to activate whatever you want to do up here. Click Action tab. Then you go Scan for hardware changes. Repeat this for a few times. Scan for hardware changes. Do it like few times. Then you should be able to see Bluetooth coming up for you. And if it still does not come up for you, go back to Action tab again, and this time select Add Legacy Hardware. Next, and select the recommended. Search for and install the hardware automatically. Next, and carefully follow the instructions that will come up on the screen. If the Bluetooth issue still persists, don't worry, there are more troubleshooting techniques to try. Bluetooth Services is responsible for all Bluetooth related functions. And if your Bluetooth is not showing or not working well, then you can restart your Bluetooth. Go to Windows Start button, search for Services. Select Services app. Alternatively, press Window key together with R, Window R, to open the Run app. Type services.msc in the Run box. OK. You may scroll to locate Bluetooth support services. Double-click to open it. If you have manual start, change the manual start to automatic. If the services has stopped, then start it. Apply. OK. Restart your PC or laptop and see if the Bluetooth issue is fixed. Windows provides various built-in troubleshooters to automatically detect and fix common issues. Try running the hardware and Bluetooth troubleshooters. Go to the Windows Start menu, search for Troubleshoot. Select Troubleshoot. It's under System Settings. On Windows 11, open Other Troubleshooters. On Windows 10, you may go to Find and Fix Other Problems. There you will see the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Locate and select Bluetooth. Click Run the troubleshooter and follow the on-screen instructions. Here, I suggest you have internet connection while you are doing this. These troubleshooters will detect any problems and attempt to fix them automatically. After this, restart your PC or your laptop. Congratulations! Hopefully one of these methods resolved the issue for you. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and share the link. Subscribing to this channel is good for you and me. Therefore, subscribe here to see my other tutorial videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day.